Ever felt like your finances are a bit of a mystery? Like you're constantly playing catch-up, unsure where your money is going, and struggling to save effectively? You're not alone. Managing money can be a real headache, but what if I told you there's a tool that can help simplify things? A tool that puts you back in control of your spending, helps you budget smarter, and even identify potential savings? We live in a world of apps for everything, from ordering food to tracking our fitness, so why not have an app to manage our money effectively? There are quite a few personal finance apps available now, but today we're going to focus on one in particular, the Emma app. And more specifically, we're going to answer the question, how do I download the Emma app? Before we jump into the download process, let's quickly touch on why you might want to consider using Emma in the first place. Emma is designed to be your financial control center. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a clear overview of your income and expenses. It categorizes your spending, so you can see exactly where your money is going each month. This is incredibly valuable for identifying areas where you might be overspending and finding opportunities to save. Emma also offers budgeting tools, allowing you to set spending limits for different categories. It will then alert you if you're approaching or exceeding those limits, helping you stay on track. Plus, it can identify wasteful subscriptions you might have forgotten about, potentially saving you money each month. Some advanced features also include things like debt tracking and even investment monitoring, depending on your region and subscription level. So, if you're looking for a way to simplify your finances, gain better control over your spending, and potentially save more money, Emma could be a valuable tool. Now, let's get to the main point of this video. How do you actually download the Emma app? The process is straightforward, and it's very similar to downloading any other app on your smartphone. The Emma app is available for both iOS and Android devices, so the first step is to head to the appropriate app store for your device. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you'll open the Google Play Store. These are usually pre-installed on your devices, so you should find them easily on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you've opened the correct app store, you'll need to use the search function. Look for the search bar, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap on it. Then, type Emma, budget and save money into the search bar. It's important to include the full name to ensure you find the correct app. After you've typed in the name, tap the search button on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of search results. You should see the Emma app at or near the top of the list. The app icon is usually a stylized E logo, often in a bright color scheme. Make sure you're selecting the official Emma app to avoid downloading any imitation or potentially harmful apps. Once you've located the correct app, tap on it to go to the apps page. Here, you'll see more information about the app, including screenshots, reviews, and a description of its features. Most importantly, you'll see the button to download the app. On iOS, this button will usually say Get. On Android, it will usually say Install. Tap this button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password, fingerprint, or Face ID on iOS, or your Google account password or biometric authentication on Android. This is a security measure to ensure you're authorized to download the app. Once you've confirmed, the download will begin. The time it takes to download will depend on your internet connection speed and the size of the app. You'll see a progress bar or a circular indicator showing the download progress. After the download is complete, the Get or Install button will change to Open. You can either tap this button to open the app directly, or you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it from there. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Emma app. Now, you'll need to go through the setup process, which typically involves creating an account, connecting your bank accounts, and setting up your preferences. We won't cover that in detail here as this video is focused on the download process, but Emma provides clear instructions within the app itself. Now, some quick troubleshooting tips in case you encounter any issues. If you can't find the Emma app in the App Store, double-check that you've typed the name correctly. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If the download is slow or gets stuck, try pausing and resuming the download or restarting your device. If you're still having trouble, you can try searching for Emma on the web and looking for a direct link to the App Store listing. This can sometimes bypass any temporary issues with the App Store search. It's also worth noting that the Emma app is regularly updated with new features and improvements. To ensure you have the latest version, make sure you have automatic app updates enabled in your device's settings. This way, you'll always have access to the most recent features and bug fixes. Downloading the Emma app is a simple process that can open the door to better financial management. By giving you a clear overview of your finances, helping you budget effectively, and identifying potential savings, Emma can be a valuable tool in your financial journey. Remember, gaining control of your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. Tools like Emma are designed to simplify the process and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.